I haven't made a YouTube video in a while. I've been struggling with my CNC. Finally got the spoil board surfaced. Got the machine trammed, and anyway, that was a nightmare in itself. And then I was cutting projects. I'm trying to learn this, and I was having failure after failure. But today, I'm starting to get it. So there's hope for me. And I don't consider myself the dumbest guy in the world, but I can usually grasp concepts pretty fast and get them. This is like learning to play piano. So this is a sign that I'm making. It says Stacy and Lorraine established 2016. The point of this whole video is I've tried doing this several times, and I think I'm starting to get V-Carve and Aspire down, and I'm learning it, and I'm figuring it out. Like I said before, learning all this together is like learning to play piano or guitar or any instrument. It just takes a lot of discipline and a lot of practice. So this is, I guess, practice, but I'm getting better at it.